How to temporarily disable or permanently delete your Binance account. First of all, open your Binance app. After opening, tap on the 3 lines on the left side. Then go to your profile. After that, tap on Security. Scroll down a bit and you will see the option called Manage Account. Now here you will see 2 options, Disable Account and Delete Account. If you select Disable Account, your Binance account will be temporarily disabled. That means you will not be able to log in, trade, or use most features. But don't worry, this option is not permanent. You can reactivate your account anytime just by signing in again. This is a good choice if you just want to take a break or want to keep your account safe for some time. The second option is Delete Account, and this one is permanent. Once you delete your account, you will lose all access and your entire transaction history will be gone. Also, if you try to make a new Binance account later, your KYC or identity verification might take longer. So only choose this option if you are 100% sure you don't want to use Binance anymore. In simple words, disable account means a temporary lock and delete account means permanent removal. If you want to disable your account, tap on Disable Account, then again tap to confirm. Now you will see 2 verification options, email and phone number. On the top you will see a counter showing 0 out of 2, which means you need to complete both verifications. At the bottom there is also a link that says Security Verification Unavailable. This helps if you are not receiving the codes on your email or phone and guides you through alternate recovery options. When you choose email, Binance will send a code to your registered email address. Open your email, then open the newly received mail. You'll see a message like this. Copy the code from that mail, paste it back in the Binance app. Then choose phone number. Binance will send a code via SMS to your registered number. Enter that code in the app as well. Once both verifications are completed, it will show 2 out of 2, and you can move to the next step. That's it. Your Binance account is now temporarily disabled. Okay, so this is how you can temporarily disable or permanently delete your Binance account depending on your need. If you face any issue, feel free to ask in the comments. We hope this guide helped you. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech content.